Welcome to Drive BC. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to set up notifications for your saved routes so you don't miss important updates before you travel. First, make sure you're signed in. Then, click on the Favorites dropdown, and click on My Routes to access your saved routes. Scan through your saved routes and use the Notifications toggle above the map to turn on your notifications for a route you're planning on traveling. Turning on notifications for the first time? You'll be asked to verify your email. Just check your inbox and click the link we send to you. Didn't get the email? Click Send Another Verification and check your spam folder, just in case. Once verified, you can customize what you want to be informed about and when you'd like to be informed. Use the checkboxes next to each type of information you would like to be notified about. Each one has a tooltip to help explain what it means if you're unsure. You have a lot of flexibility as to when you would like to receive notifications. If you would like to get notifications about that route as they happen, select Immediately and All the Time. If you would be more specific on when you want to receive notifications, select At a specific time and dates. Pick your time and date ranges, the way that best works for you. You can choose a particular date, a date range, or even specific days of the week to get notifications. You can also choose a time range for receiving notifications on those dates. For example, if you commute regularly Monday to Friday, you can pick those days of the week and indicate the specific times. Keep in mind that notifications are sent for new and updated information during the date and times you've selected. To be as informed as you can be, make sure to have a look at the existing traffic impacts for your route before you travel. When everything looks good, click Enable Notifications to save. That's it. You'll now get notifications exactly when you want them. Stay informed. Stay safe. And enjoy the drive with Drive BC.